So hello everyone. So my vlog for today is all about my permanent resident or my green card. Yeah. So let's talk about how I process it at ano yung timeline. Anyway, before I start, if you have any questions about K1, fiancé visa, or AOS, just click on my playlist at meron po akong mga vlog about K1 visa, AOS. At kung meron din po kayong Q&A about your PSA documents, meron din po ako diyang vlog about PSA birth certificate documents. Okay po. So, yung permanent resident ko, pernasis ko po siya actually, umabot po siya ng 1 year. Pero, hindi na po ako, they didn't ask any additional requirements like others, they asked for medical certificates here in US. That's the additional requirements and also interview. So, wala na po siyang interview and medical certificate. I'm here nga pala sa Jacksonville, Florida. So, yung ano namin, pinasa siya sa Washington, D.C. Medyo natagalan siya kasi meron din po akong in-applyan. Kasabay nito yung advance parole to travel. So yung advance parole to travel na approve siya ng mga 4 or 5 months, yun yung makapag-travel ka outside the US without the green card. So nauna po siyang na-approve than my green card. At yun nga pong pagtatrabaho, hindi ka makapag-work dito rin kung wala ka ring permit for work. So, yung sa akin naman is green card lang yung in-applyan ko or the AOS and also the advance parole to travel. So, yun lang po. So, I just want to share to you. So, I'm so happy. Yan. And that's all. Thank you. Bye.